The quickest and most efficient way to water the lawn, and to remember to do it regularly, is to set up your yard with one of the best lawn sprinklers. Whether you need one or more will depend on the size of your property, but a good sprinkler system will save you time and energy and keep your lawn in its best condition. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 lawn sprinklers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AquaJoe SJIOMS 16 Oscillating Sprinkler. For lawns of up to 3,600 square feet, this oscillating sprinkler by AquaJoe is a great pick. Not only is it made of a super sturdy, durable, and hard-wearing stainless steel, but it also has clog-resistant nozzles so that the water output is always consistently strong. The row of nozzles is housed in a strong plastic that can withstand all weather-related issues. 2. The connection is leak-resistant, so as to eliminate water waste, and it's compatible with any regular garden hose. It's ready to use straight from the box and provides customizable coverage patterns, so you can adjust the spray pattern and oscillation, which is very easy to do. While it does an excellent job of watering the lawn, this oscillating sprinkler can also spray water very high up if you set the nozzles upwards, making for some great outdoor fun for kids to run through on warmer days. Number 2. Orbit 56667N Zinc Impact Sprinkler. Similar to its sister model above, in addition to low-lying lawns, the Orbit 56667Z Zinc Impact Sprinkler is designed to water foliage and greenery that is a little higher off the ground. In contrast to the Orbit 58288 3-arm high-rise sprinkler, however, this tripod model is an impact sprinkler, which means it shoots out water at quite an impressive pressure. Another difference is that this sprinkler can be moved around to wherever you need it, as opposed to being staked into the ground. This lawn sprinkler can spray a full 360-degree angle at a distance of up to 85 feet in diameter thanks to its rotating head, and it's ideal for larger-sized yards, too, as it can cover an area of 5,670 square feet. The sprinkler's tripod base can adjust from 16 to 37.5 inches in height to allow you more flexibility for all your watering needs. Number 3. Grow Green Sprinklers. For hassle-free lawn watering at an affordable price, the Grow Green rotating lawn sprinkler is extremely easy to use and set up. Just connect it to the hose, place it in the middle of your yard, and turn the water on. The sprinkler is made of sturdy ABS plastic, which is rust-proof and impact-resistant. The mechanism is designed to provide an even layer of water on the lawn with a powerful spray of up to 3,600 square feet, which means that you don't have to move it around constantly to get the whole yard watered. You can control the water pressure with the amount you release from the spigot. For a longer spray, increase the water pressure, and for smaller lawns, you'll have to keep the water flow rather low. This device features 3 spraying arms, which rotate on the central device at 360 degrees for maximum spraying coverage. Number 4. Rainbird 32ED In-Ground Automatic Sprinkler. For a complete irrigation system that is easy to install in minimal time and comes with all the pieces required for setup, look no further than the Rainbird 32ED In-Ground Automatic Sprinkler System Kit. Getting a professional irrigation system installed can cost anywhere up to $3,000 or more, but this affordable system is a bargain in comparison. You might need to call in a little help when setting it up as some digging needs to be done to put the tubing underground, but once it's installed, you won't need to adjust any hoses or sprinklers in your yard again. This system will do all the work for you. The pop-up sprinklers are designed to come up when the water is turned on and retract when not in use, so you can mow the lawn without any obstructions. Water pressure, 45 to 75 psi, material, ABS plastic. Number 5. Drip Irrigation Kits. If you don't want to spend money on a top-class irrigation kit, perhaps you're on a budget, might be moving soon, planning to change your yard's layout, or saving up for a professionally installed system, then this pedal sprinkler is the perfect, wallet-friendly interim solution. With a remarkably low price, the set comes with over 130 pieces to fully equip your lawn with its own irrigation system. It can keep not only your lawn watered but also tend to your flower beds and vegetable patches. There are 100 feet of hose and connections with 3- and 4-way interfaces that provide accurate watering. As a drip irrigation system, the set delivers hydration directly to plants' roots. The system works best with lower pressures, and its drip system allows you to slowly add water to some of the more delicate plants that don't do well with force. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.